Three people shot and succumbed to injuries in St. Catherine at football game. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police sources in St. Catherine have indicated that a shooting incident in Spring Village, St. Catherine on Sunday afternoon has left 3 people deceased and 6 others nursing gunshot injuries, for which they are being treated. Unconfirmed reports are that the incident occurred at a football match in the community. Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime and the security portfolio within the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF), Mr. Fitzbailey, has provided details of the brazen gun attack that took place at a Best Just Chicken Community Sports Complex in Spring Village, Old Harbour, St. Catherine during a football match on Sunday afternoon.
Okay, about 5:10 this afternoon, there was a football competition at the Jamaica Boilers complex in Spring Village. It was an internal football competition, and about 5:10, whilst they were playing, 2 cars drove up, and one of them, a male person, alighted from the car and opened fire on a group of people. At the end of the shooting, 9 persons were shot and injured. 3 died, including the persons who died was a female. It is my information that the target was one of the deceased by the name of Squire, who was targeted over illegal weapons that went missing. It's early days yet, and the police is actually trying to put everything together to identify who the perpetrators are. But what I can say is there were 2 cars, a Markets, white Markets, and the other one was a white Tida, that were involved in this shooting incident.
The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fitzbailey, outlined what happened and some of the theories they are already emerging as investigators work to track down those responsible for the shooting. In a statement in response to the development, the Best Just Chicken said, "The Best Just Chicken is shocked and extremely saddened by the shooting that took place on Sunday afternoon in the vicinity of our sports field. Our condolences goes out to the families who have lost their loved ones. The matter is being investigated by the police and we trust that justice will be served." So that was a statement from Best Just Chicken. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to comment this. Thanks for watching.